Hello friends, I am Angad Pandey. Welcome to my channel Make Me Tours. There is nothing impossible in today's era. To travel from one country to another where people usually have to travel by plane or ship. Meanwhile, our travel agency has offered a unique journey by bus from Delhi to London. If you are fond of traveling and want to go to London by bus, then you can enjoy this service. The lockout continues in countries around the world due to fear of the coronavirus. Many countries have also made limited air travel to control foreign travelers. Meanwhile, a Gurgaon company has announced this service on August 15, that its name is Bus to London. This was officially confirmed by Adventure Overland's Instagram post. The journey is of 70 days, in which passenger will be sent from Delhi to London by road. The travel company gave this information via social media on the occasion of India's 74th Independence Day on 15 August. This 70-day special journey between Delhi to London is going to be quite interesting. Within these 70 days, people will cover a distance of 20,000 kilometers by roadway. Not only this, you have before reaching the UK, it also traveled to 18 countries like China, Kyrgyzstan, Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan, Rus, Latvia, Lithuania, Poland, Czech Ganraj, Germany, Netherlands, Belgium and France. In the year 2021, only 20 passengers will be able to participate in this journey from Delhi to London. All the seats of this bus will be premium class. The bus will have 20 passengers and drivers, an assistant driver, an agent of the organizer company and guide. Guide will also be changed to travel to 18 different countries so that travelers are not inconvenienced. Passengers will need visa from 10 countries to travel on this journey. The company will also make arrangement for this. This can be great opportunity for those who dream of traveling to different countries. Accommodation for traveling people will be arranged in 4-star and 5-star hotels. However, people will have to spend a large amount for this. According to the report, you will have to pay 15 lakhs for this bus going from Delhi to London. Those who are unable to collect rupees 15 lakh can also pay the rent as installment. From May 2021, the world's largest bus service will start as a journey. Interested tourists can avail this service. The journey starts in Delhi and ends in London. For more information, you can visit bustolondon.in. Thank you for watching. I am Angad Pandey.